Hello people of YouTube, I'm John and it's N-Scale Friday. You saw the thumbnail, so I'm not going to act all suspenseful. Here's the box, there's the bench, let's go. Alright, so here's what we're looking at today. These are ACF 17,360 gallon tank cars. The black one is lettered for PPGX, and the white one is lettered for GATX. I counted 6 different road names on the Atlas website, as well as an undecorated one. The decorated ones go for $34.95, and the undecorated one goes for $27.95. These are part of Atlas's master line. Alright, so I figure we'll just look at the black one first and go from there. And one of the first things I noticed as I was taking this model out of the package is just how fine all these little grabs are down in here. And something as I'm scrutinizing the paint and all that, I noticed that that's a separately applied placard holder. That's pretty cool, especially on N-scale. And the paint covering the tank itself is perfect. All the markings are very crisp. Those little conspicuity stripes are very well done. The tiniest writing down over here is not legible, but it presents well on the model. You know, from a viewing distance, it looks really good. All right, so looking at the end, this is the brake end, usually what we look at first. And you can see it's a separately applied brake wheel. This, again, is a metal grab. That'll make it nice and durable. And then back in there, you can see the placard holder. This is one of the reasons, this type of model is one of the reasons why I'm turning into a tank car foamer. From this angle, you can see the placard a little better. Just wanted to point that out. And also mention that these are knuckle couplers that are mounted to the trucks. So I just wanted to show you the hatch detail here. And wanted to point out that these walkways are molded plastic. The effect is very good. You have to be very careful handling this because all these little handrails and stuff are very easy to damage. I just wanted to turn it over and show you the brake detail in the bottom here. It's pretty good. And then, like I mentioned before, these are truck-mounted couplers. And the reason why they're truck-mounted couplers is because on tank cars, it's very difficult to body mount the couplers. There's just not really any easy way to do it. So that's why they make them like that. All right, so I've switched over to the white one now, and I just wanted to point out again the separately applied brake detail in here, and then the rest of it's kind of molded in. It looks good as it's rolling down the track. I think that's the most important part. And you can tell that this model has similar detail around the hatch, including the molded walkways. Now I wanted to show you the A end on this model, since we didn't look at the A end on the other model. And just to point out, it's kind of hard to see because it's black on black, but there's extra brake detail in here. There's a little tank, little air reservoir there. Pretty cool detail. And then, you know, also you have your similar metal handrails there. I think using the metal handrails is a great thing for durability. I'm going to go ahead and look at the brake end here on this white one, and it's a separately applied brake wheel, just like on the other one. Metal handrail, just like on the other one, and also on the A end of this one. And the placard is tucked in down in there. Looks great. And finally, we're going to look at the side here, and I don't know, maybe it's just me. I think it's kind of funny, but you can read the toll-free number in this placard, or whatever you call this little sign here. And I've always wanted to call one of these 800 numbers off one of these cars just to see if it's accurate, you know. Hey, maybe you can call the number and put a comment in the comment section of this video and let us know if it was accurate or not. But, you know, you can read it. Well, I have to say, these are a couple of very, very excellent models. The only thing I don't like about them, if I could even say I don't like something about them, is the fact that they're truck-mounted couplers. But you know what? There aren't any N-scale tank cars that I have ever seen with body-mounted couplers. So it's just a fact of life when it comes to N-scale rolling stock. If you're going to have a tank car, you're going to have truck-mounted couplers almost no matter what. So, but they're done well, and I do like the fact that the grabs are all very to scale, and the fact that they're made out of metal will make them more durable. Also, don't forget, if you can call the number on one of those tank cars, put a comment below and let us know if the number is actually accurate. You know, that 800 number I was pointing out. Anyway, that's it this time, and I'll see you next time.